Hey everybody, Caleb here with Steve Meyer's Service today to go over the Stihl FSA57 AK series battery string trimmer. Now the FSA57 is going to be the entry-level battery string trimmer that Stihl offers in their AK series. The AK series is Stihl's homeowner series, and we like to think of the AK as the kit, meaning it comes battery and charger included, which is what makes it such a popular series. Starting at the back here, the FSA57 comes standard with the AK10 battery. It's a nice lightweight battery. You can also, a lot of people upgrade to the AK20 to get more runtime out of it. With the AK10, you're going to get 25 minutes of runtime. If you upgrade to the AK20, that's going to bump you to 50 minutes. The AK series has a double click feature, which means the first click, that's your storage. The unit's not going to run, it's not going to do anything. It's just a way that you don't lose the battery and it's not engaged. Then the second click, that is going to be your engagement, which means that the unit is ready to run now. When it comes to the FSA57, we do have a few safety features here. Safety number one, your hand does have to be on top to press this safety in. Safety number two, you need to push that piece forwards. If you take your hand off, this is going to come back and will reset. So hand on top, push that forwards, and then you can pull the trigger. And that's going to run your string head. This button here allows you to extend the shaft on the FSA57. Currently, it is in the short shaft configuration, but for some taller operators, you can press that button, pull the shaft out, and that'll make it a little more user-friendly. When it comes down to the string head, we have the guard here. This is going to keep you from getting into your fences, your chain link fence and everything, eating up the string. Let's see if I can get this out one-handed or not. Maybe. There we go. So this is going to act as a guard to keep it so that your string does not get into that fence and suck the string in or the head into the fence. But it can easily be pushed back up just like so. The FSA57 comes with the Stihl AutoCut C3-2 head. If you're curious on how to restring or replace the inserts, we do have a video on our YouTube page about the AutoCut C3-2 that shows you how to restring it and how to replace it. Stihl does also offer some other accessories, such as a polycut head, which has plastic knife blades on there. So that is the Stihl FSA57. Again, that is their entry-level, lightweight, good power battery trimmer in their AK series. So aimed at having a good price point, is going to be a real popular trimmer for all you homeowners out there. So if you got any questions, as always, leave them in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.